Hello everyone, my name is Marcus Kander. I'll be explaining today how to solve rotational motion questions that involve force and torque acting on muscles. For this question, you're asked to calculate the amount of force required to lift a 4 kilogram object if the forearm has a mass of 1.5 kilograms. You're provided with the following diagram. The first step to solving this question is to identify the different forces acting on the arm. First, there's a force exerted by the weight of the object. This force is equal to mg and acts straight downwards. Second, there is a force exerted by the weight of the forearm. This force is also equal to mg and acts straight downwards. Lastly, there is a force exerted by the biceps. The question tells you that this force acts upwards. To solve for the torque of any object, the equation is T equal Fr sine theta, where F is the force applied in newtons and R is the distance from the pivot point in meters. As you can see in the diagram, the biceps are positioned at a 90-degree angle. When you take the sine of 90, you'll get 1. And therefore, in this particular question, the angle will have no impact on your calculations, so you can just ignore it. Now all you have to do is find the force applied and the radius for each of the objects you have. For the bicep, the force applied is what you're solving for, so you can leave it blank for now. The radius is 0.05 meters. Remember to convert the measurements given in the question from centimeters to meters. For the forearm, the force applied is equal to mg, which when calculated will give you 14.7 newtons. The radius is half the distance between the biceps and the object, therefore divide 0.4 meters by 2. For the object, the force applied is equal to mg, which when calculated will give you 39.2 newtons. The radius is equal to 0.4 meters. Now that you have finished gathering the data from the diagram, create an equation that represents all of the 3 torques that are present in this question. The force from the biceps acts upward, which is why TB is positive. The forces from the forearm and the object act downwards, which is why TF and TW are negative. The question tells you that the system is in equilibrium. Therefore, the sum of your torques must equal 0. Now, start plugging in the information that you have found into the equation and rearrange for FB. Your final answer should be 372 newtons. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or want me to clarify anything, please leave me a message in the comments and I'll respond to you as soon as possible.